It really depends on your practice. I think for me, I was spearheading the revolution. So call me Alice. I dove down the rabbit hole for many years, but I learned a lot through that process and what we can do and how we can execute day to day processes. I did not make this retroactive. That created a big hurdle for my people to do it. And instead, we did it going forward. That eased our learning curve and made it a little bit more manageable for all of us. So instead of, throwing everybody into the fire, we just sort of baby stepped into the solution. And you have the option to do it because you're already paying for it. We've never been able to sort of test this theory out and baby step into a solution. We just were thrown at the wolves. So, just baby stepping into OneDrive and then start learning how you can manage your notes through Microsoft OneNote and how you can manage your calendar better through Outlook and just sort of baby stepping in to each one of those solutions will probably help ease your learning curve and possibly create better buy-in for your users if you're the one spearheading the revolution.